So this is the lesson 5, the aspects of gene therapy. Introduction. Medical science has detected many human diseases related to defective genes. These types of diseases are not curable by traditional methods like taking what readily available medicines. Gene therapy is a potential method to either treat or cure genetically related human diseases. So that's the gene therapy. Next. In 2015, a team of researchers at the Harvard Medical School and Boston Children's Hospital stated that they were able to restore basic immunity genetically if mice using gene therapy. They use an improved gene therapy Victor developed at the Massachusetts Eye here that was identified as BNC80, which enables the transfer of genes to the inaccessible outer nervous system to the area. Imagine therapy was actually first realized in 1971 with the first human DNA experiments were done. So at year 2015, the team researcher at the Harvard Medical School and Boston Children's Hospital, so nakabalik na pag-inom sa isa kailaga na nasa sakit ikan sa pag-anak. Dayon, iisin ko Victor develop around mass sets. So, gamit sa mga tool, which is, ang tawag ato nga tool is the ANC-80. ANC-80 transfer the genes to the inaccessible outer cell to the The basic process, there are several approaches to gene therapy. These are the following. So the first one, replacement of mutated gene that causes disease with a healthy copy of gene. So pwede siya nga, ang katong gene nga, di sa work o sakto, di sa function o sakto sa kalawas sa tao, pwede sa ilisdan. Pwede na sa ilisdan ang katong mga bagong DNA. Next, inactivation of the defective gene that is functioning. So bali, inactivate siya ba? I-open siya. Balik na ano. So introducing ang gene in the body to help fight disease. So pwede sa pod na magbutang ka o bago or another na DNA dito sa gene para i-fight niya itong mga sira nga gene. So two types of gene therapy. Somatic gene therapy involves the manipulation of gene cells that will be helpful to the patient but not related to the next generation. So, nagputapol ginaw, somatic gene therapy, balik na sa tuwa nga matambalan niya to or mailisdan niya itong mga DNA nga guba, protein. So, kanang pamatambalan niya ba ang kanang gene, mailisdan niya ang DNA sa tissue sa mga tao not inherited to the next generation. Not inherited to the next generation, no? Ang somatic gene therapy.
Hindi naapektahan ang next generation.
Yes. Next, germline gene therapy which involves the integration of germ cells or the origin cells that will pass then the traits on the next generation. So, one sa germline kay atdo. Sa germline kay o kanang sakit sa inyong gene na ganyan sakit, pag matambalan sa germline generation, pwede sa mapasa sa 6th generation, pwede sa katong inyong gene is na mawala ito sa inyong gene nga katong sakit. Next. Stem cell gene therapy, stem cells are mother cells that have the potential to become any type of cell in the body. One of the main characteristics of the stem cells is their ability to self-renew or multiply while maintaining the potential to develop other types of the cells. Next. Stem cells are derived from the different sources, two of which are the embryonic and somatic stem cells. So the embryonic stem cells they derived from 4 or 5 days old human embryo that is blastocyst phase of the development. The embryos are usually extras that have been created IVF, which is the vitro fertilization clinics where several eggs are fertilized and attached to the woman. The somatic and the somatic stem cells are cells that exist throughout the body after embryonic development and are found inside other different types of tissues. It is generally thought that adult or somatic stem cells are limited in their ability to differentiate based on their tissue of origin. But there is some evidence to suggest that they can differentiate to become other cell types. So katong mga dili siya gamit or ang katong mga cells sa susi sa katao dito siya mag-function kung di ko siya gamit mix. So, Nay, pwede makabasa nila? Ikaw? Sige, sa March.
Number 1.
Pwede
The
makabasa.
bioethics of gene therapy. There are ethical issues involved in gene therapy. Some of the inquiries cited are Genetics Home Reference to 2017. Number 1. How can good and bad uses of gene therapy be distinguished? Number 2. Who decides which traits are normal and which constitute a disability or disorders? Number 3. Will the high cost of gene therapy makes it available only to the wealthy? Number 4. Would the widespread use of gene therapy make society lead accepting of people who are different? Number 5. Should people be allowed to use gene therapy to enhance basic human traits such as height, intelligence, or athletic ability?
So, nakay idea March?
Wala na ba yun?
Wala. So, may ethics sa gene therapy doon na ang mga ethical issues sa mga tao nga. So, ganing ang mga pangtao nga. Mga pangtao sa mga
Issues ng mga tao.
mga issues. So, ano natin, hope we go through the issues of the day. So, mo isa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
Napalisa, bro?
Yeah,
So,
summary.
summary. Gene therapy sa dito that we
Sa akin,
Muna, kalis ako eh.
Basta lang sila.
Sige, sina. Basta.
Well, isa. Summary. Gene therapies mean that new traits or cure genetic-related human illness. There are two forms of gene therapy. One is somatic gene therapy, which involves the human manipulation of gene in cells that will be helpful to the patients but not inherited to the next generations. The other is germline gene therapy, which involves the genetic modification of germ cells or the origin cells that will pass the change to the next generations. There are many ethical issues of gene therapy. Some of these issues are about questions of whose authority of power to decide which human traits should be altered. Others concerns are on the discriminatory effect of those who may not or cannot avail gene therapy.
So, summary. So, which means katong last 20 years, kanang gene therapy kasi, ang last 20 years, ikuha na siya, i-experimentuhan sa mga scientists na magiging mo sa inspiration ng last 20 years. So, ang gene therapy, bali, ang gene therapy mo, bali mo, tambal siya atong gene nga guba. Bali, or tambal, or, basta tambal ulit. Gene therapy.
Pausa sa nang tambal.
Kuan kanang ang katong kuan atong mga gene nga dili sa mo function bitaw karon ta pala di sa mo work bitaw sakto bali kuan sa kanang lisdan siya og katong bagong nga mga DNA para mauliad siya so daghan to daghan sa mga ways daghan sa ways itong like ganina nga atong 1 2 3 pwede siya ilisdan pwede po siya magbutang ka kani nga butang kagain nga DNA para i-fight tong katong kuan ito tong katong kuan sa kuan so siya